what I need to find out here is there are two ways where we can go into a chat. One is from this story page, and one is from the groups page. The groups page is working, and I'll show you in a bit what is working, and I'll show you what is not, and I'll show you what is not working. Okay, so maybe I'll show you what is working first. So I have a user on the right side and the left side. So I'll start a group here on the right side. Let me close this. Now I have a chat on the right side, and I'm gonna like the same story and then find this group that I just created. Yeah, user 1. So right side is user 1, left side is user 2. Okay, how do I know that they are the same chat? It's because I can type a message here and come on, and I can see that it is there as it is broadcasted. There. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what works. I'm going to go back and then go to the groups page. Okay, so on the groups page you can see there's a loading, so there's some API that's being done, and it picks up the latest version. So on the right side I created this, so I'm going to start the task. The goal of this entire app is to do this, answer questions. And save. Okay, so it says that I'm unable to move forward to the next story, so there's a progression because the left side has not finished his task yet. Right, so it shows that here on the right side that I have because I'm stuck, I can do this another 2 more times. You can see the start task, it's a 2/3, 2 out of 3. Now there's a bit of a problem here on the left side, so I'm going to start a task. And I'll show you what doesn't work. And I'm going to close this. Okay, now I'm going to save this. Okay, and it shows that user 1 has not yet completed, so that's wrong because I've just finished it just now. So there is clearly a problem here where this guy is not able to see this guy completing a task, and that is to be done. At the same time, noting that my original guy did manage to capture his own completion. There's something that I also noted is when I finished this task and I started the one on the left as well. If I were to kind of go back to the original screens and essentially reload the whole page, it will actually work. So clearly there's a bit of a problem in terms of the notifications to the other party. So let me show the other one, which is even worse. So if I like this group from the stories again, I'll start a new one. I'm gonna have to close this again. Okay, I've started a task here, started a chat here, and I'm gonna find this user 1. Here we go. Okay, I've joined the group. Now I'm going to start this task. Okay, it's slightly worse than the earlier one. So again, has not finished. But you realize that even this is not updated. This task started. It's still showing as started task. It did not even finish the task. So there's something else that's wrong here that worked in the groups page. So the same problem is going to apply. I finish on the left side, and again on the right side it's not being shown, and so the group is not able to progress. So that's the user flow.